Hello, kindergartners. All right, we are about to do Sunday lesson 132. Now, I need you to make sure that you have a pencil and paper ready to go with you so that we can do some spelling of words in a little bit. For now, we're going to start with reading some sounds. So I'm going to show you the sounds on the screen, and you're going to say the sound out loud, not the letter, the sound. Ready? Here we go. Oh, maybe I won't. There we go. Y, b, a, m, n, k, j, k, l, g, f, d, h, r, w, v, x, t, z, s. Now I want you to grab your piece of paper and I'm going to tell you a sound and I want you to spell it on your paper. Are you ready? Spell S. Spell F. Spell A. Spell M. Spell H. Spell T. Spell X. Spell L. Spell and spell Z. Good job, kindergartners. Now keep your pencil and paper right where it's at. Yesterday with Mrs. Volpe, you should have done some reading of words, of at words. Now I'm going to quiz you and see if you can spell those at words on your piece of paper. Are you ready? Spell hat. It has 3 sounds. At. Good. Spell bat. B-a-t. Spell mat. M-a-t. Spell rat. R-a-t. Spell sat. S-a-t. Spell fat. F-a-t. Spell pat. P-a-t. Last one, spell vat. V-a-t. All those words should have had 3 sounds, and if you were listening carefully, they were all at words and belonged in the at family, so they should have the same ending 2 letters as well. All right, now, if you're going to go ahead to your Sunday worksheet, it looks like this. You are going to fill in the blanks with uppercase letters. So starting at J, what comes next? And continue all the way through the rest of the alphabet. Then fill in the blanks with the missing lowercase letters. So find the one that's missing. A, C, Fill in those blanks. And then at the bottom it says fill in the blanks with the matching lowercase letter. So they gave you the capital ones. You need to write the lowercase one next to it. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. Bye.